It's all empty. So this is the old house. And everything's empty. I'm gonna take you guys up and show you guys the old sneaker room real quick. So, a handful of years ago, this is the room that everything started in. All of the shoes were in this room, and this is where I used to film YouTube videos primarily. Then I downsized because we had a baby, and I moved everything back here, and actually it was just right here in this little cubby. So my YouTube videos recently have been right here. This was the white wall. My table's right here, and this was it. So once again, this is the old sneaker room. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the new one. So this is the new sneaker room, as you can see here, and this was a lot of effort to move all the boxes over into this spot. But you can see all the stacks of boxes here, and actually, I mean, I really want to downsize again. I'm gonna have to clear out probably, I want to clear out at least half of these boxes, because I just don't need this many shoes. Nobody needs this many shoes. Then I'm gonna have a display wall right here, but I'm not gonna hang the shelves yet because I'm waiting for this room to get painted. We're actually gonna paint this room white, so I'll have a nice clean white background for the video. Shout out to the baby piano down here. Got a new little couch thing that folds into a bed. And so lots and lots of stuff, as you can see, going on in this room, and I just don't know quite what to do with it. So I want to ask you guys to leave a comment in the comment section. What would you guys want to see in the background for my videos? I haven't been doing a lot of face videos, but if I did more of those, I have a huge room to do so, and a lot of different options for backdrops. I could use this as a backdrop. I can just use a regular white wall for a backdrop. Shoe boxes if I guess I really needed to. So lots of different options in here, and I just don't know what to do yet. So leave a comment, let me know. And I did have LED lights all on the shelving units, but unfortunately I had to rip them off and they all broke. So before I buy new ones, I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do before I actually make any like crazy adjustments like that again. But a fun endeavor nonetheless. Really happy to have a new house, and the house is massive comparison to the other house. But this is the biggest thing, is this room is just insanely large. So because of that, it gives me a lot of options for ways to create content for you guys. And then also, just so you guys know, like part of these are gonna be toys over maybe on this side. And I'm actually gonna be making videos for my kids channel.
Hey guys, welcome to the video. We have a big surprises. Let's go open it up.
Yeah.
Come on guys.
A giant egg full of stuff. That.
Let's open it.
Open it out. Harrison's Toy Time is his actual channel name. And we're gonna basically make toy videos, toy unboxings and stuff from in here as well. So I'm trying to grow his channel through the next 3 or 4 years, just for basically 100% of the proceeds are going to his college fund. So kind of fun for me to make videos with him regardless and just see him grow, but also if there's a way to actually make enough money to pay for his college, that's the end goal. So big serious studio space for all of that happening in here. And that's kind of what I wanted to show you guys. But hopefully you guys don't mind. I haven't been posting a lot of videos because I've been moving, man. The house moving has taken over a week, 10 days or so just to get everything in the rooms. And then I have stuff like this where not a lot of things can be said about this. I mean, I have to do this and organize this eventually. It's just hard to do with all of the other projects around the house, light fixtures and all those other things. But anyway, thanks for stopping by and watching. Appreciate everybody that supports the channel. Really buying a new house and stuff. This is a big move for us. This is actually our 3rd house. I'm renting out our other house, and then I do have my first house that I bought when I was in college that I'm still renting out also. So 3 houses, man, is a crazy, crazy thing that could end up happening when you have a couple side hustles, and YouTube happens to be one of them, and it's really because of you guys that makes this all possible. But thank you guys for the constant support on the channel, and have a great rest of the day. More actual content coming very soon as I can actually start recording some stuff. I got a couple extra little packages over here, so stay tuned for that. But thanks again for watching. Have a great one. Peace.